I feel very privileged to be here today as part of the graduation ceremony for the NPTC group of colleges, and I'm very, very privileged to have been invited to receive an honorary fellowship.
Firstly, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone at NPTC group of colleges for bestowing this honour on me. Really, for me and my family, it is a fantastic honour. It'll take pride of place in our home.
I'm graduating in an ILM Level 4 Business Management. It's been a year's worth of hard work, really proud, and it's going to help me on my personal development.
Very proud. I had to do it on top of work, part-time and in the night, but very proud of my achievements and celebrating today.
I worked really hard for this, so I feel really proud of myself. I want to become a primary school teacher, so I'm going to go on and do my PGCE.
Oh, so proud.
Yeah.
Didn't think we'd do it.
No, I didn't think I'd get through the first year, let alone finish the course, so it was brilliant.
This is really special because this is a recognition of me as a person as well as a player, you know, and that's why it's pretty special. And to be a small part of what is a fantastic group of colleges that are trying to do something very, very different with in and amongst their community just seems like a fantastic partnership, something I'm incredibly proud to be part of.